we're going to be testing this wall outlet. This is a standard 120 volt, 20 amp outlet. It should be dedicated if you're using it with the machine, because dedicated means there's nothing else on the line. This little dash in the neutral side of the plug is what tells you it's a 20 amp outlet. I'm going to set my meter on 200 volts AC scale. Remember, your battery should be good. We're going to do some checks. There are 3 checks that must be performed to make sure the outlet is good. I'm going to stick my black lead in the earth ground. Notice that this plug seems to be upside down, but with the new electrical codes, this is actually how it should look. The earth ground should be on top, neutral on the right side, and the hot on the left side. So I'm going to take my probes, which should be the thicker probe, not the pencil type, not the real thin pencil type for DC. These are for AC. I'm going to put my black lead in the ground, earth ground, and I'm going to put my red lead in the hot side. So my voltage here is reading 117.4 volts. Our optimal range is 120, but remember, we have a plus or minus variable that the voltage could fluctuate between. Believe me, 117 is fine for this machine. All right, so this side is checking out good. Second measurement I want to take, I'll leave that red lead in the hot side. I want to take my black lead and move it to the neutral side now. I should read the same amount of voltage. 117 is saying 0.2, which is still very good for this outlet. So that proves to be good. And then I'm going to take my leads. I'll take the black lead again, put it back on earth ground, and I will put my red lead in the neutral side. I want to make sure there's no voltage floating around on the neutral and earth ground connection. As you can see, it's reading 0 volts, 0.2, which is exceptionally good. If you have a floating ground, which what they call this, if the voltage was on that line, that would be telling you that there is some sort of loose connection or bad connection for the actual grounding of the circuit. But this one is perfect. So again, earth ground to hot, hot to neutral, neutral to earth ground. Those are your 3 checks. I hope this has been beneficial to you. Look for more videos from the Pittsburgh training site. Thank you for watching.